Okay, here we go with a test of the Facet parcel viewer featuring our 31 megapixel spherical camera. We're going to be looking at a property in Chanhassen, Minnesota at 500 Chan View. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag into the image our spherical window on top of our parcel viewing application. And here is the image. This isn't full screen, but I can zoom and show you more about this. As I pan this, you can see that the image tracks around, so you can see, give you a sense of visual reference to what you're looking at. I'm going to make the image full screen here in a little bit, but I just wanted to give you a sense of this. The imagery is captured at 4 frames a second. So as I move down the street at regular driving speeds, you can see I can maintain multiple images of this parcel even as I come past. And now that I've done that, and I come back, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm also going to make this image full screen. So as I click on here, I'm going to go back a little bit further here. I'm going to click on full screen and make this full screen. So now you get a sense of what type of imagery that we are looking at in terms of our capability. I can turn and I can zoom in so that these house numbers are fully readable. I can zoom back out and pan. I can go all the way across the street and see into the parcel behind us. Now again, the nice part about this is because of the extra resolution, the fact that we're capturing 4 frames a second, you get multiple views of this. So as I want to come back, I can look clearly into the backyards of the properties. I can swing across and see on the other side. Now, one of the things this demo shows but can't show accurately enough yet in this version is how well the camera captures light in bright areas. If you notice, I'm looking directly into the sun, but I can still see most of the tree leaves here. It hasn't been washed out, and the application also has the capability, although the demo doesn't show it yet, of pulling the information out of these dark areas. So on the next version of the demo, which will be available in a couple of weeks, as I could click on this to bring this dark shadowed area, which the information is actually captured in the application and the data is stored with it forever, I can actually pull that out, so I don't have to revisit this location with a second drive to try and capture the information about this particular parcel, because I will have that when it's actually part of the data set. It's just waiting for me to pull it out with the application. So that's a quick demonstration of the 31 megapixel imaging capability for our Facet parcel application.